Hi, today we're looking at VibeVoice, which is the new open source text to speech model from Microsoft, and it can generate expressive and long form conversational audio, which is perfect for podcasts. Right now, it is the state of the art in terms of podcast creation and text to speech because compared to other models from Google, let's say, or 11, it can synthesize speeches up to 19 minutes long and it can have four distinct speakers, which is incredible. Compared to older models from Gemini and from other companies, this model can actually include up to four speakers, which have a clear and distinct voice, and it can handle all types of dialogues, even long form. So let's take a look at some of the examples. And after that, I will also explain how you can use it right now for free. So right here, we have the first example, which is a context aware example. So basically, the speakers can really understand what the text is about, and they can also deliver the correct emotion in their speech. Let's hear it.
I can't believe you did it again. I waited for 2 hours. 2 hours! Not a single call, not a text. Do you have any idea how embarrassing that was just sitting there alone?
Look, I know, I'm sorry, all right? Work was a complete nightmare. My boss dropped a critical deadline on me at the last minute. I didn't even have a second to breathe, let alone check my phone.
A nightmare? That's the same excuse you used last time. I'm starting to think you just don't care. It's easier to say work was crazy than to just admit that I'm not a priority for you anymore.
That's not fair. Of course you're a priority. You think I enjoyed being stuck in that office, drowning in spreadsheets while knowing I was letting you down? It was stressful and I felt terrible.
I was really looking forward to tonight. I've had a rough week and I just wanted to see you. When you don't show, it doesn't just feel like a broken plan, it feels like I don't matter.
You're right. It's not fair to you. There's no excuse. I should have found a way to let you know, even if it was just a 30-second call. I messed up. I'm really truly sorry. How can I make it up to you?
As you can hear, the quality is incredible. You can feel the emotion, you can truly understand what they're saying, and it is almost, I mean, not almost, it is like hearing two people talk. So I could not tell the difference between a real conversation and a conversation made by this AI model, but let's hear it singing. So let's see if it can also sing.
Hey, remember See You Again?
Yeah, from Furious 7, right? That song always hits deep.
Let me try to sing a part of it for you. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Wow, that line. Every time.
Yeah, and then this part always makes me think of the people I've lost. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
It's beautiful, really. It's not just sad, it's like hopeful.
Right? Like no matter how far apart we are, there's still that promise.
I think that's what made it the perfect farewell for Paul Walker.
Yeah, and the rap verse? It hits differently too. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got?
That line's deep. Makes you realize what really matters.
Exactly. It's more than a song, it's a tribute.
So here you can see that it doesn't know the song, so it is improvising. It is giving it a different musicality, but of course, the interpretation is not bad actually. Uh, Unless it may get any type of access to the internet, I don't think it can uh, recreate these songs perfectly, but that's not what we want. We want it to be able to properly understand the text and just speak, create the conversation. And I think this model is better suited for podcasts more than songs. Right here we have another feature which is very interesting. And basically the model is able to use a cross-lingual mode, so it can speak different languages, understand different types of texts with different letters as well. So let's hear it.
Hello everyone and welcome to the VibeVoice podcast channel. I'm your host Linda and today I want to share some very interesting and authentic Chinese expressions with you. In Chinese, when you want to say something is super easy, just a simple task, you can use the phrase 小菜一碟. It literally means a small dish of food, but it means a piece of cake. For example, if you want to say, adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers is a piece of cake for me, you can say, 3位数的加减法对我来说小菜一碟. The next phrase we're going to learn is 你开玩笑吧. It's a very common way to express disbelief, like, are you...
As you can hear, it is almost perfect. There are no misunderstanding, no cuts in the voice when switching from one language to another. So I think the quality for this model is crazy good. And the last thing I'm gonna show you is the 4-speaker mode. So we're not gonna listen to this this audio because it's way too long for YouTube, but let's just see and hear the difference between all the 4 speakers and how it can handle switching from one to another.
Hello and welcome to Planet in Peril. I'm your host, Alice. We're here today to discuss a really sobering new report that looks back at the last 10 years of climate change, from 2015 to 2025. It paints a picture not just of steady warming, but of a dangerous acceleration. And to help us unpack this, I'm joined by our expert panel. Welcome, Carter, Frank, and Maya.
Hi, Alice. It's great to be here. I'm Carter.
Hello, I'm Frank. Good to be on.
And I'm Maya. Thanks for having me.
So let's dive right in. Carter, this report, titled Decade of Consequence, uses some very strong language right from the start. Can you...
So as you can hear, it is switching from one speaker to another without any cuts as well. So it can handle really well the 4-speaker mode. And let me also show you how you can use it right now for your text-to-speech creation. What we have to do is to go to the GitHub page. On the official GitHub page for VibeVoice, we can scroll down to the news, and right here we can see that they have provided a collab script to get easy access to their model. The collab script right now is only limited to the 1.5 billion parameter, which is the easiest to run and also less GPU intensive, because Google Colab has some GPU limitations unless you have the Pro version, and you can access it by clicking this link and opening the official Colab page, in which you can log in with your Google or Gmail account. Once you set up your environment and create your transcript, you can just press on generate audio and it will start generating the audio for you, which you can download locally. And let's just wait for it to run and I'll get back to you. Right here you can download all the versions for this model. Right here I have the large model, which is the 7 billion parameter model, and you can just download it and try it yourself. So the video is done. Let me know what you think and let me know your opinion on all these new open source models, which are free to use and they're always surpassing each other. So I think the advancement in the text-to-speech field is going crazy fast, and I also think that we will soon see and hear fully AI generated podcasts, because this is incredible. You can already do something like that. The only thing is, who is gonna listen to them? Let me know your opinion and see you on the next video.